sure.
Is this a snappy guy? I don't know. Alright, got him across the road. I should have taken you along for that, but it's whatever. He was really small, so I have not picked up a small snapping turtle before. But I didn't want to risk it. I don't know how far the smaller ones can actually reach around and bite, but he tried nipping at me a couple times. He's a small guy. Alright, did my good deed for the day. Time to head out. Swartwood State Park today, and I'm gonna try and kayak out to one of the sites that are along the side of the lake, and I'm gonna see if I could set my slackline a little bit and do some slacklining. So hope you enjoy. At the spot, just trying to net day, getting out my kayak. All right. All right, so I had my peanut butter sandwich. My coffee wound up being way too hot for me to actually drink right now, so while that is cooling down, I'm going to shoot some random B-roll type stuff. It's beautiful out here, so definitely have a lot to shoot. So now I think I'm gonna have to move this table, because I'm gonna try and go from that tree right there to that tree right there. So this table is in the way, so I'm just gonna move it back a few feet. fun at this spot. I'm gonna break down. I think I'm gonna head back. Guys, well, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm not really sure what other kinds of videos I should make. I'm having a lot of fun doing this though, so if anyone has any suggestions, please let me know. I love the slacklining stuff. That's always fun just because I enjoy doing that even when I'm not filming. But if there's anything you want to see, let me know. And until next time, thanks for watching.